All right, so just last night we got this Maserati dropped off. I want to skip to the point and just kind of see if I can help you guys out. It took me a little minute to kind of figure it out, but we got it. Basically, door handle removal on this. It is a little bit different than other cars. This is a 2015, and here is the trim. That's the name of the car. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm just going to show it to you guys. But yeah, let's get right to it. I can kind of give you guys an idea of how to go about this. In the door, I noticed that the front and back doors are completely the same process, so we're gonna go ahead and just check this one out. So you're gonna take off the little rubber grommet here. You have an access. In this case, this vehicle did not have the rubber grommet, so I skipped that step. But anyways, basically you're gonna look into here, and I was kind of looking for like a torque or something like that, or you know, a bolt, a head of a bolt. I didn't get that. I just see, you know, pretty much what you guys see here. And pretty much what it is the idea is to basically, you need a hook. I use this one right here with this angle. It is a little warped or whatnot, but anyways, what I did was I stuck it in an angle like this just to get it past here. Then once you get it in, you're gonna want to either try to go up and twist it behind this white thing there. Not sure what's called, but it's like a little plastic piece. Basically what you want to do is get it behind it, and then you want to just tug it, give it a good pull, you know. You could go up, you could go like this to get it back there. I think that's how I did this one. Actually, I went like this, and I was able to kind of get it back there and then get that nice tug. Once you do that, you'll almost feel it like kind of unclip. And once you do that, you know, you kind of give this piece right here, give it a little tug, you know, kind of open this one, play with it. This one's already off. I'm just doing this for, you know, just to kind of show you guys. So you pretty much, this one, like, you know, unlike like other door handles, you know, you get this piece that comes off first, then, you know, you just go ahead and pull off, and you got your door handle off. Wow. I think it's a real easy step if you know the process. I didn't, so it did take me a little bit to kind of figure it out, a little bit of research. Fortunately, the owner did have an idea of how to do it, so he kind of gave me an idea. But yeah, man, anybody, you know, struggling on this, I hope the video helps you. And yeah, man, to get those door handles off. So just to clear the air, you know, I haven't done the driver's side yet, and it is different. So before I started doing it, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just kind of continue the video. So basically that process will work for all three doors, not the driver door. The driver door actually is a sorry, it's kind of wiped off. It's a T20, so you're gonna need a T20. It's a regular torque bolt, you know. So once you gain access to this access point, it's in there, man. You'll be able, believe me, you'll be able to see it, just like any other door handle on all other cars. Just stick it in, loosen it, as I'm doing now. I'm literally doing this as we do this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and loosen it up, kind of check on it, give it a tug. That's, make sure, see if it'll come off already, or it needs a little bit more loosening. Okay, nice, we got it right here. I almost feel like it's ready to come off. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but especially with this one having the lock, but you can already see it's coming out. Yeah, there it goes, we got it out. I know you got to kind of open this one at the same time, bear with me, but there we go. Got that one out. Same thing as the other ones, give it a good pull and then take it out. That's usually for pretty much all door handles. That's how they work. Okay, this one actually has a little clip you got to unclip, but that's not a problem. We're gonna go ahead and handle that. Now I'm able to wrap the vehicle and get started on this bad boy. Again, hope this helped you guys. Alrighty, man, so that's a wrap for the video. Hopefully this helped even one person out, man. You know, this, sometimes I know how it is. It could be tough, a little frustrating, but you know, once you know the process, it helps a lot. So like I said, you know, we got all the door handles. Now we're able to do what we got to do, start wrapping the vehicle. I'm thinking that maybe in the future we'll be posting more videos, maybe like this, maybe a bit different, you know, maybe of us, well, me, you know, wrapping the vehicle and stuff like that, giving insights on how to wrap, stuff like that, because you know, it helps, man. The information's out there, you just got to grab it. And hopefully this helped anybody out, you know. So God bless, and you know what, stay busy.